Hey everyone, thanks for hanging out with me today. Now I know it's winter time, but let's be real, who doesn't love a good chicken fruit salad any time of the year? First up, the dressing, and yes, I am making extra, don't panic. It's for my sissy. I've got the smaller portion recipe linked below. I've got some crisp apples, juicy grapes, shredded chicken, celery, onions, and some crunchy walnuts. Now we're gonna pour that creamy, dreamy dressing right over the top. Give it a good mix. And ooh, that's delicious. Now enjoy.